Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I'm doing a pre-purchase car inspection on a Chrysler 300 that has less than 44,000 miles on it. The vehicle's been sitting from older people. Oil is extremely dirty, and what I was recommending to the customer to just change the oil and use synthetic oil. You can get it at Walmart yourself. And the oil filter for probably about $28. The oils are all made from the same refinery. The only thing the companies do is add little different additives. Same thing with your gasoline. It's made at the same refinery, except they put their own additives in it. With that being said, all he has to do is use synthetic oil. It actually is a detergent. It will clean this engine out because it has 44,000 miles and it's in 2024. It will clean the engine out. Also, it will lubricate and keep this engine lasting a lot longer. Again, use synthetic oil to clean out your engine. The engine oil is completely filthy, so it will do two things. It will help this engine and it will clean out this engine. This is just a mobile mechanic tip. Expensive vehicles, they use synthetic oil, which lasts a lot longer. Change it twice a year versus 3 or 4 times with conventional oil. The gentleman is going to be driving up and down the East Coast, and he definitely doesn't want to sit around and change the oil all the time. He wants to keep going and clean out his engine at the same time. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have benefited any shape from away from these videos, hit that super thanks. And if you want to see these videos earlier, 3 or 4 days earlier than everybody else, hit that join button. Thank you.